Yadav. Yadav preparing to send down the 11th over of the innings, dear. And this time the batsman coming out of his crease off the front foot, plays it nicely, beautifully, beating the fieldsman. No chance whatsoever. Down to the boundary, 4 runs. So after a long time, once again a boundary hit coming up, 71 for the loss of 3 wickets. Vijay Yadav bowling that one. And this is the 11th over pass delivery which has been dispatched to the boundary. Very well struck. Vijay Yadav it is. The bowler in action for you. This time played it defensively. See how it was
बेहतरीन तरीके से उन्होंने गेंद को खेला था और कोई मौका नहीं कि वो गेंद को गेंदर कर पाया गेंद सीमा रेखा के बाद 4 रन के लिए.
Once again Vijay bowls and this time the batsman coming out of his crease and in the air but very safely finding the gap. No chance like a bullet from a gun. That one went past the boundary for 4. Lovely shot indeed, marvelously played.
और तब तक मैं ये भी कहना चाहूंगा कि शुरुआत के अंदर घनश्याम ने जरूर थोड़े से सिंगल लिए लेकिन इस वक्त उनकी निगाह मैदान के ऊपर जम चुकी है और बहुत ही अच्छे शॉट खेलते हुए अपनी टीम के लिए.
Beautiful stroke, no doubt about it. One on the on, one on the off, and beautiful stroke. You just observing and seeing on your TV view screen. Next delivery, pushing it away onto the offside, straight to the fielder. The fielder stops it and returns it. So Ghanshyam is batting with 18 not out of 16. 78 more runs required. The required runs, the target, 153 total, 57 balls to go. This one little outside the off stump. Batsman coming across, covering his stumps and just getting into the line and playing it defensively, playing it coolly, calmly, correctly and defensively perfectly.
स्कूल एंड से एक बार फिर से बॉलर कितना बेहतरीन तरीके से स्टंप को कवर करने के बाद बल्लेबाज ने खेला था. ये गेंद के अंदर कोई आत्मविश्वास नहीं था जिसको खेला जरूर वहां पर विकेट कीपर गेंद को केदर नहीं कर पाए. गेंद सीमा रेखा के बाहर निकलते हुए 4 रन के लिए.
और चेतन, this type of the strokes are most profitable. Once you defeat the wicket keeper.
से गेंद निकली थी अजीब ढंग से, मतलब आत्मविश्वास नहीं था. विकेट कीपर गेंद को केदर नहीं कर पाए. बल्ला से गेंद बाहरी किनारे लेती हुई चली सीमा रेखा के बाहर 4 रन के लिए.
Lovely, and once again the score is now getting accelerated. Some aggression shown by the batsman, 79 for 3, Ghanshyam in particular, and until also joining him because he has scored 7. And the target is 153, 79 for 3. One more delivery in this over to go. We can see this delivery and that one short over length and this has been just played away onto the onside for a single as the fielder darting, charging comes onto that one.